Cipherlab 9700 with Cash Register Express. This is the purchase order function. So we're going to go into our purchase orders. We're going to create a new purchase order. And we're going to take a look at our vendors. You'll have to add your vendors before doing this. So we're just going to select any vendor. And we're going to put in a reference number. And then we're going to start scanning whatever items are relevant to this purchase order. And we can change the quantity. And we simply save. Put the Cipherlab back in the cradle, and we can sync with Cash Register Express up here. Send changes. Now we can take a look at our purchase orders tab here in the pocket inventory control, and we can see the purchase orders that we just uploaded.